Very. Good morning, Pugal. Your interview
Good
is
morning,
on
sir.
which date? Your interview is on which date?
So 13th afternoon, 1 o'clock, sir.
In which place?
In Egmore, sir.
Oh, Chennai only. Acha, acha. Very good.
Yeah.
What is the degree you have studied, Pugal Raj?
I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, sir.
In which year did you complete it?
I completed 2014.
Is this the first mock interview you are taking with me or second?
No, sir, this is my first interview, mock interview.
Very good. You completed degree in which year? 2014.
2014, sir.
Acha, what
Yes,
have
sir.
you been doing since then?
Sir, I have studied UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, sir.
Hmm.
I
You
wrote I wrote two mains in Union Public Service Commission and didn't clear that, sir. After that, I also wrote Tamil Nadu State Public Service Commission Group 1 for mains for twice, sir.
Mhm. Very good. So that means the problem is only because of you're trying for civil services and you could
Yes, sir.
not reach it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What was the optionals you took in that?
Political science and international relations, sir.
Okay. Very good. No problem. So now, is this the first bank interview you are appearing or you have appeared
Yes.
earlier?
No, sir, this is my first interview. I started preparing from 2021, sir.
Mhm.
This
So
is my
this is the first bank
interview.
interview you are appearing. Very
Yes,
good.
yes, sir.
What is your father?
My father is a farmer, sir.
Where do you live?
I'm hailing from Dharmaburi district of Tamil Nadu, sir.
Very good. Dharmaburi district is known for cultivation of which crops?
Sir, here the horticultural crops like mango,
Mm.
paddy, and also sericulture is famous in the Dharmaburi district, sir.
Very good. Who is the collector of Dharmaburi district?
Shanti, sir. Madam Shanti.
Is there any minister in the Tamil Nadu state cabinet from
No, sir.
Dharmaburi district?
No, sir. Currently, there is no minister from Tamil Nadu, sir. The Dharmaburi, sir.
Who is the MLA of your place?
So Mr. Govindarajan.
Who is the MP of your place?
Dr. Sendil Kumar.
Very good. Excellent. Now, what is your age?
So it's 29, sir.
29. You belong to OBC?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's right. Now, you said your father is a farmer. Have you
Yes,
at
sir.
any time been helping your father in his field?
Yes, sir. I have been for last 2 years after COVID-19, like our family got very financially like bankrupted, and both of our parents got like ill due to COVID. So I could discontinued my UPSC preparation and started helping my father and also preparing for bank examinations since 2020, sir.
But don't use the word bankrupted and all. We had
Okay, sir. Like financial issue.
financial crisis or
Oh,
financial
sorry, sir.
shortage,
Okay.
like that you can
Oh,
tell. Okay,
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
very good. That's right. Which bank do you have an account?
I have an account at Indian Overseas Bank, sir.
Where is the headquarters of Indian Overseas Bank?
Sir,
Hello. Yeah,
Chennai, sir.
it is only Chennai. Correct. You know who
Yes, sir.
is the chairman of IOB? You don't know. Please get to know that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. Now,
I think Ajay Kumar Srivastava.
some new person has been appointed recently. Maybe you are
Okay,
right. Very good.
okay, sir.
Excellent. Now, can you please tell me what are the main functions of banks?
The major functions of bank are accepting deposits and lending loans, sir. And it also does further like tertiary functions like selling third-party products like mutual funds, life insurance policies, etc., sir.
Good. You said selling mutual fund products. You know what
Yes.
is meant by mutual fund?
So, the primarily mutual fund means the collection of money from public and investing in like shares in like stocks, and the profit from the stocks are like and the dividends from these stocks are like shared between the like people.
Shared to the unit holders. You should
Yes,
say
yes, unit.
mutual funds collect money from the public by selling units. Then
Okay.
they invest in other company shares and debentures, and depends on account of the movement of share prices. And if any profits are earned, they are shared with the unit holders. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now, do you know the names of a few famous mutual funds in our country?
Mutual funds. Sorry, sir.
Mutual funds in our country. I think you want to learn like that. What you can do, go to google.com.
Okay.
Then in India, famous
Okay.
mutual
Mutual
funds.
fund.
If you
Yes.
put like that, you are getting ICICI Prudential Focused Blue Chip Equity Fund,
Okay, sir.
Aditya Birla Sun Life Small and Mid Cap Fund,
Okay,
Tata
sir.
Equity PE Fund, HDFC L&T Tax Advantage Fund, SBI Nifty Index Fund. They will not
Okay.
tell the name of the mutual fund. They will tell only the particular scheme name.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you must know this. And I am giving the link of this in our Telegram
Telegram.
page.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Mm, Are mutual fund investment safe or are they not safe?
Like it's mostly safe, sir. Like we can say, we can't say certainly like it will be definitely safe, but mostly it is safe because it is backed by like well reputed companies, and it is mostly safe, sir.
You should tell. You can't commit yourself here. Mutual fund investments are subject to market
Market risk.
fluctuations, market risk. So you cannot
Market
say
risk.
it is safe. It depends on the way the market goes.
Okay.
So, for
Okay.
example, now market is going down. Can you tell me why
Yes, sir.
market is going down now?
Because of Adani issues,
Very good. Good. Excellent.
the
Yeah. Because of Adani issues, that's the correct answer. Good. Now, can you please tell me what are the mm, different digital products of banks? You can take any bank into your mind and tell me the digital products offered by them.
okay, sir. Like
Okay.
mobile banking, digital banking, like e-wallets also given by banks.
Mm.
Mm.
No, no.
My
For this question, you are struggling. For this
eKYC,
question, eKYC, correct. Then,
eKYC. Mm.
see, for this question, what you can tell is you can
Yes, sir.
tell internet banking, mobile banking,
Okay.
WhatsApp banking, SMS banking,
Okay, sir.
then FASTag, then
Fast. Yes.
e-loan. E-loan,
Yes, sir.
some banks
Okay.
are giving out
Yes,
e-loan.
sir.
Likewise, some of these things you can know, and better you get to know from your IOB website. Or which is the
Okay, sir.
first bank you are given under preference?
Like Canara Bank, sir.
Very good. So please go through Canara Bank website also and also IOB website.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Good.
Thank
Now, can you please tell me a few points about priority sector advances?
you. Priority sector advances are initiative taken by RBI to provide credit to like unserved and underserved areas of economy like agriculture, MSME, export credit, social infrastructure, education, housing, etc., sir.
Hmm. Okay. Now, can you please tell me why this scheme of priority sector has been brought? Can you elaborate?
Primarily, the aim of private sector lending is to the credit of financial institutions have to reach to underserved and unserved sectors, and which have play a major role in the development of the whole holistic development of the whole country. And the major sectors like social infrastructure, agriculture, and the MSME, sir. Since banks are commercial banks are mostly their major aim is to increase their banking business, but they have left behind the major development as a major growth, major development and sector, major development and growth sectors like agriculture and MSME. So government has stipulated a certain percentage of their lendings to be given to is some social sectors, so that there will be holistic development of the countries.
Good. What is the percentage of loan should go to priority sector in the case of commercial banks?
It's about 40%, sir.
What about small finance banks? How much they should give to priority sector?
75%, sir.
Good. Can you tell me the names of 5 union ministers and their ministries?
Okay, sir. So Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah. Next, Minister of Tourism, Kishan Reddy. Next, Law Minister, Kiran Rijiju. The next, Hardit Singh, Minister of Agriculture, Narendra Singh Tomar, sir.
Very good. Why are you struggling? See, these names you must remember very well. At least 10 names you must remember correctly. Okay, very good. You told nicely. Good. Can you name the 5 prime ministers of our country?
Name 5
prime ministers.
Previous prime ministers.
Yeah, previous prime ministers.
Okay, so currently Narendra Singh Modi, and earlier to that Manmohan Singh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and before that Chandrasekhar, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi,
okay,
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Sufficient. Good. Very good. Can you name 5 northern states and their capitals?
Yes, sir. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, and Haryana's capital Chandigarh, Rajasthan capital Jaipur.
Good, very good. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is watching movies, sir.
Which movies do you watch?
Mostly regional movies, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Hindi movies, sir.
Which is the movie you saw recently?
Mukundan Unni Associates, sir. Malayalam movie, Mukundan Unni Associates.
Is it a good story? Who was the hero in that?
Vinit Srinivasan is the hero, sir.
What is the story about? What is the story?
The story of the movie is in this movie, both protagonist and antagonist is the same person, and the movie revolves around the nexus between insurance agents, doctors, hospitals, and policemen to
make money. Yeah. Good.
To make illicit money, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Be reading. And which date is your interview?
The 13th afternoon, 1 o'clock.
Very good. Best wishes. Before that, we will know from 9th what are the questions they are asking, so that you can read something more deep about in that angle also. I am not sure whether they will ask civil engineering questions, because you studied so many years back, 8 years
mechanical engineering.
Sorry, whatever it is, mechanical engineering. So maybe they will not ask. However, you better get to know about mechanical engineering development in our country, in our state.
Okay, sir. How can in a better way I can justify these years, sir?
There is no justification. How can you justify? It is all what has happened is happened. You can't do
O-
anything. Only way by which you can overcome that is by answering with confidence and with clarity.
Okay, fine, sir.
The only thing
Like,
is you must talk still more confidently and
okay,
with much more clarity. The problem with most of us is that we lack the expression ability because we are not having experience in talking in English. That is the basic
okay,
problem.
sir.
So
Okay,
that
sir.
should be overcome. You must be careful. But if at all they permit you to talk in Tamil, you can talk in Tamil also. Nothing wrong.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Like,
Very
how
good.
about my like pronunciation and English, sir? Is there anything to improve? Like,
It,
am I speed?
it is okay. It's okay. You are talking. I won't grade it uh, 10 out of 10. I will give 7 out of 10. But
Okay, sir.
you can't immediately, overnight, you can't change it. But read more of banking, read more of economics, read more of current affairs, more about budget, economic affairs, Republic Day, and be ready to go for and be reading newspaper right from today, at least the headlines in the first page, then
Okay,
business page, sports page, and all that. Thank you.
okay, okay, sir. If I will be grateful if you allocate another session, sir, before like interview.
I'm not sure, because I'm not having time so much. All are every day. I'm already fully booked. That is the reason. But I suggest you attend 8:30 class. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay,
that
sir.
will be better. That will be better. Not that I'm not willing to, but where is the time? Otherwise, I have to ask you to come at 4:30 in the morning. Will you come?
That's not a problem for me, sir.
if ne- if
Like,
if if necessary, we have to go at 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock
oh,
in the morning, and then only
oh,
because I'm staying in USA, my timings are entirely different. That is the reason.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like
Anyhow,
close to
best.
interview date, it will be like it's one and now second, sir. Interview is around 13th, sir.
Uh,
Like it,
no,
if
no,
you give me another session close to the interview date, it will be very useful for me, sir.
we will keep it as 11th February.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Eleventh
Thank you, sir.
February. I will keep the time as 6 a.m.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
6 a.m. And your
Okay, sir.
number
Thank you.
is what? Your number is 97154, no?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, sir.
very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Um, if you can pay, you pay 100 rupees. And if you're really
Okay,
suffering,
sir.
no problem. It depends. I leave it to you. I leave the choice to you
Okay.
because how many siblings you have?
One sibling says she's married, myself.
Very good. Thank you. How old is your
Okay.
father?
He's around 60, sir. Around 60, 62, 63.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, which year did you complete your computer science degree?
2020, sir.
2020. From which college?
Chandigarh University, sir, from Chandigarh.
Oh, Chandigarh University. You are
Yes.
basically a person from which state?
Telangana, sir.
Telangana. Why did you
Yes, sir.
go from here to Telangana? From Chandigarh.
Yes, I was awarded a scholarship as well as I wanted to pursue my BTech outside the states, sir. So these are the two reasons why I pursue in Chandigarh.
Were they giving you full scholarship or partial scholarship?
Partial, sir.
Oh. What is your father?
He retired as a deputy manager from National Insurance, sir. National
Oh,
Insurance
yeah,
Corporation.
yeah. I know him. I know. But very good. Now, did you go through the budget that has been presented on
No,
first
sir. Just
yesterday?
no,
No,
sir. Not yet completely.
you are not studied it. Okay. Now I'll ask only general questions. Please tell me
Sure, sir.
what all you know about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
So it was launched by our Prime Minister in 2015. It was made for financial inclusion, sir. And the account charges in it would be zero. Uh, Totally, there are 46.25 crore accounts that have been opened since the start of the scheme, sir. And basic benefit transfers would be done through that as well, sir. and other banking services can also be provided through that Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
See, the points you have omitted is that 10,000 rupees overdraft available, accidental insurance cover rupees 2 lakh.
Oh, okay. I thought, yes, I thought the other services would mean the insurance would be, okay, I'll specify it next time, sir.
And he must be a citizen of India, should be at least 10 years of age. He should not have a bank account. And through this account, they are eligible for direct benefit transfer also. Very good. That's right. Now, can you elaborate about PMSBY?
Suraksha Bima Yojana. Yes, sir. So this the scheme was launched by Prime Minister again in 2015, and this was launched for underprivileged people, sir. This is for accidental insurance coverage, sir, and the premium was increased from 12 rupees to 20 rupees. And if a person is partially disabled, he would get 1.5 lakhs, sir, in case of accident. However, if a person ceases to exist, he will get one will get 2 lakhs as a compensation amount, sir.
Who will get
This is the
compensation?
these are this
Who will get
the spouse of
compensation?
that person, and the spouse of
Or
that person, or in
nominee.
case,
You can say
yes,
nominee.
sir. Yes, sir. Nominee.
And it was not 1.5 lakh, it is 1 lakh.
Okay.
1 lakh for permanent partial disability. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 lakh.
Yeah. What is this scheme? PMMY. What is that scheme? PMMY. What is that?
No, sir. I'm unable to recall. I'm sorry, sir.
Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana.
Okay.
Have you heard about it?
Yes, sir. Micro unit and refinancing development agency. It's for microfinancing, sir.
What is that? For which purposes
Sir,
are they giving?
any uh, any unit which has a investment of less than 1 crore and turnover of less than 5 crore comes under micro, sir. And
No. You are confusing with MSME and this. This is
yes,
something
sir.
different. This is Pradhan
Okay, yes,
Mantri
sir.
Mudra Yojana. This is given to encourage entrepreneurs and small business units to expand their capabilities and operations to reduce their indebtedness. Loan limit up to 10 lakh to the non-corporate, non-farm small micro enterprises. It is being provided by commercial banks, RRB, small finance banks, then NBFCs, then MFIs. MFIs means what? Financial institution, something like that. Then eligibility should be a citizen of India, 18 to 65 years, credit limit up to 10 lakhs. The loans are basically given for business plan in non-farming sector, manufacturing, processing, trade, and service sector. After telling this, you should tell the three schemes. Sishu covering loans up to 50,000, Kishore loans up to 5 lakhs, Tarun loans up to 10 lakh. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, I have to read
Why
about
why
this.
why were you not able to tell this? It's a very famous scheme, na Mudra Yojana scheme. So please get to know that. Now,
Yes, sir.
can
I
you
will.
can you tell me what is PM Kisan scheme?
Kisan scheme? I'm sorry, sir. I have
Pradhan
to read
Mantri
about this.
Kisan Samman.
Okay, Kisan Samman Nidhi. Sir, uh, and I can remember a few points, sir. Annually, farmer would be getting 6,000 rupees, sir. And in terms of 3 installments of 2,000 rupees. And
It is given to small and marginal farmers having combined land holding or ownership up to 2 hectares. 2 hectares. Very good. That's right. Now, come and tell me, Surya, what are
yes,
the
sir.
strengths you have?
So I'm adaptable, sir. That is my strength, and also I'm a good listener, sir.
This alone will do.
Yes, I do have other strengths as well, but
You
for
must talk.
example,
You must talk so that they will try to estimate your confidence level.
oh,
Okay.
okay. Yes, the few of my strengths being, sir, I'm adaptable. I'm a good listener. I've also been a team lead during my engineering days as well, sir,
Mm.
and also I'm empathetic.
Mm. No, I think I would have told you so many other points, like say I'm a quick learner, hardworking person. I enjoy
Yes, sir,
shouldering
but
response. So you
yes, sir,
must
but I
repeat.
think
You must repeat them. Try practicing repeating it. Though you may feel bored, you have to speak. I know you have been talking for more than 2, 3 occasions, but you should try
eh,
to practice experience telling it about it. Okay,
yes, sir.
very good. That's right. Now, can you tell me how can we reduce unemployment in our country?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm actually taking some time for to think.
What happened?
So,
This is a very
yes.
open question. It's a very open question. There is no the correct answer, but something you must talk with confidence. Yeah. So I know something made you because I started with government schemes. You started fearing it, and
No, sir, it's not like that.
your performance today, you will agree, is much less than what it used to be on earlier days. Yes or no?
You're you're the one who's wise enough to judge that, sir.
No. The confidence level has come down. No, previously, I think I used to ask question in insurance. There only you will be struggling, whereas now,
Uh,
when it comes to
I've
even
actually
this regular schemes, you were not able to tell confidently. Agreed.
uh, uh, yes, sir, I would agree. But I've actually read it, sir, so I'm quite surprised why I couldn't recall them.
Very good. Now, this is the first time you're attending bank interview.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your interview is going to be in which place? Hyderabad.
Yes, sir, Hyderabad.
Now, tell me something about your native place.
Sir,
About your
Telangana, uh, Hyderabad.
about your
Yes, sir.
native place. Yeah.
Yes, sir, Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is also known as City of Pearls. This was previously ruled by Nizam, sir, and Hyderabad is famous for many tourist spots. Example being Bigla Mandir, Tangband, Chowmala Palace, etc. It has famous dishes as well, sir. The one which got GI tag as well, Halim, and the other one being the biryani, Hyderabadi biryani. It has a diverse culture, sir. And Hyderabad is also known as north of south and south of north, sir. It is the northern state. It's the northern part for the southern states and the southern part for the northern states. So these are the few things about my city, sir.
No, talking about you only told about Nizam. There was a news
Uh,
recently about some
yes, sir.
Nizam time. What is that
Yes,
about?
sir. Nizam 8 expired in Turkey, sir. His body was brought into Hyderabad and it was buried here. And his name was Mukarram Jah.
Very good. I'm happy you remembered that very nicely. Very good. Very good. Now, please tell me names of 5 union ministers.
Sir, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi and
Hmm.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Home Minister Amit Shah, Anurag Thakur, Sports Minister, uh, Vaishnav, our Minister Vaishnav, sir, Ministry for Railways.
Good. Can you tell me what do you understand by 5G?
So 5G is the fifth generation, sir,
Hmm.
and there's a it's the updated version of the 4G, and you get higher speeds in phones, sir, for that.
Have you taken 5G in your phone?
No, sir, not yet.
Not yet. Acha, acha. Doesn't matter. Which service provider have you taken? Jio or
Airtel, sir.
Airtel?
Airtel.
Airtel.
Yes, sir, Airtel.
Yeah, Airtel. Fine. Yeah. That's really nice. What is the name of the company that is running Airtel?
Uh, I think it's Mittal Group, sir. Mittal Group is running Airtel.
Bharati Airtel.
Yeah, okay. Bharti Airtel.
Yeah, Bharati. Yeah, Bharati. 1 minute. Let me tell you. Name of the Airtel is owned by Bharati Enterprises. It is also known as Bharti Airtel. It
Okay,
is
sir.
in Gurgaon.
Yes, sir.
Registered office is in Gurgaon. Where is Gurgaon?
Haryana, sir.
Haryana.
New
Good.
Delhi, NCR Delhi.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Can you tell me the names of 3 ministers from Telangana?
Yes, sir. Our Honorable Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Finance Minister and Health Minister T. Harish Rao, IT Minister K. T. Rama Rao.
Can you talk a few points on National Financial Switch?
So, National Financial Switch was introduced by NPCI. It was for communication between the ATMs, sir, and ATMs in all over India, sir.
Don't say communication among ATMs. You say ATMs are connected through
Okay,
National
yes, sir.
Financial Switch. Good.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. That is correct. National Financial Switch. That is. Now, can you speak to me something on core banking solution?
Yes, sir. So previously, we used to follow uh, traditional banking, sir. That is branch banking. We used to go to branch, but nowadays, to transfer money from one bank of, say, for example, SBI to Union Bank, sir, we couldn't do that. So now we introduce core banking solution, and through that, the data of that would be stored in core banking solution servers, and through that, SBI could know the data of address of Union Bank, sir, and we can send money.
Totally wrong.
Okay.
Totally wrong. Computer science student telling this answer. Core banking solution is the software used for connecting all the branches of the bank with the main server of the bank.
Okay.
The famous softwares are Infosys,
E-Kuber of RBI.
Infosys, Finacle, eKuber of RBI, that is among RBI. Then TCS, Banks, BANCS. Okay.
So I, I think I said the same, but I think you might have misunderstood.
No, but you were talking about a remittance of money from one bank to another and all. That
That is
doesn't come under
okay.
that doesn't come under core banking.
Okay.
Core banking, you'll have to say that one customer of one bank branch can operate his account from another branch of the bank.
Okay.
That is what we can say. That is what it is. Good. Very good. That's nice. Now, what are your hobbies?
So I like to read stories of espionage, sir, and also I like to watch movies with IMDb rating more than 7.
Oh, what is that MDB rating?
So IMDb stands for Internet Movie Database, and it was made by Carl Needham, who in London, sir. He had a passion for movies, so he wanted to write the whole description of the cast in the movies. So he made it, and now the company is owned by Amazon.
Can you please tell me something about Twitter and LinkedIn?
Yes, sir. Both are social networking platforms. LinkedIn is for more for job profile, it's more oriented towards jobs, sir, jobs. While Twitter is general, sir. Anyone can. It can be used for general purpose, and uh, Twitter is a messaging. No, it's
Okay.
so,
What do you know about Facebook?
so Facebook has recently it changed its name to Meta, and the CEO of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg. It was formed back when Mark Zuckerberg was in Harvard, sir, and later on it became famous since 2008.
Okay, good. What is your views on the social websites? Are they helpful for bank or not?
Yes, sir. Social websites are double-edged sword usually, but one can use it for one's own purpose, positive purposes. So they are helpful for banking.
In what way are they helpful for banks?
So one can instantly message the correspondent bank, and the bank will respond in case the person is having any grievance. And say suppose if that grievance is not solved, he can take that issue on public platforms as well, public profile. And once it gets into public, so people will get to know that this bank is not performing better, so there will be added pressure on them that they have to provide good service as well.
No, I expected a different answer for this. I wanted you to tell that it is useful for banks so that they can use it as a tool for propagating about their schemes
Oh
and
yes,
try to
that.
get in.
Yes sir, yes sir.
You should be able to tell like that. Good, very good. Who is your role model?
My father, sir.
Which quality of his would you like to copy from him?
His work ethos.
Can you elaborate?
I've never seen him being late to the office, sir. And he always, since my childhood, he always told me that no matter what, you should never be boon for the organization, and no matter what, you should never cheat your organization. Organization protects you, so you have to protect the organization as well. So I like that quality in him the most.
Good, very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Which date is your interview?
It's on 14th of Feb, sir.
14th. Very good. Best wishes.
So,
Yeah.
so,
Now, yeah. Tell me. Shall
so
I
how
switch
much?
off?
Yes, sir.
How
Last
much?
question.
Yeah. Tell
How
me.
much would you give me on 100 marks,
Now,
sir? So I wanted to know that.
how? Now you tell me how much do you expect for today's interview?
So I think it would be 70, sir, because I couldn't talk on schemes. And if it is less than that, maybe it could be.
No,
But
no.
I
It
think
is
it
not
was
less.
70,
It
65.
is not less than 70. It is 75 out
Okay.
of 100. 75 out of 100. But then the basic problem, Surya, is that your selection is dependent not only on this but also on your written test marks.
Mains. Yes, sir.
So based on that, but then here obviously you will agree, Surya, today your performance was not of the level it used to be earlier. Where the previous videos were posted online or not?
Oh, yes, sir. The previous two are online.
Or online. So you watch that also and watch this one also. Then I don't
Yes,
know.
sir.
It is your unfortunate that questions were related to an area which is not you are not familiar. For example, the routine questions like what is banking,
Yes,
what
sir.
are the various services that was not here today. So that's why you had some problem. Anyhow,
No,
best
sir. The
wishes.
questions were yes. Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Questions were not tough ones.
Yes, sir.
And
It was easy. I couldn't. I couldn't handle them.
yeah, thank you.
Sure, sir.
Raman Saini, you are from which college? What is the degree you are
Sir,
doing now? Yeah.
sir, I'm studying the sir integrated course in chemical engineering, sir, here at NIT Rourkela.
Acha. So
Yes,
now
sir.
tell us about your family.
Sir, my family consists of 4 members: my father and my mother, one elder brother, and one elder sister.
Hmm. What is your elder sister doing?
Sir, she is pursuing her master's, sir, in sociology, sir.
Acha, sociology. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is sociology?
Sir, sociology is
What happened? Yeah, I am not able to tell.
yes, sir.
1 minute. Let me tell you. Even I don't know. India definition of sociology. What is sociology? Sociology is in what is Indian sociology? Indian sociology was influenced by colonialism and Indology. After independence, Indian sociology moves towards indigenization on the one hand and critical examination of Western theories, concepts, and methods of study on the other.
Sir, he is written,
no,
sir. It is the
but one thing, this question may not come for you unless you say your sister is working in, studying sociology. But otherwise,
okay.
you please talk to her about sociology. Get her, you go to Google and search sociology related interview questions. Get to know that.
Okay.
That will be better. What is the subject you study? Studying chemical engineering.
Yes, sir. I am studying, sir, chemical engineering.
In what way is it different from chemistry?
Sir, in the chemistry, the person has to means for the chemistry student, they are preparing the chemicals, or they are doing the reactions at the laboratory level, and at the production level, there come the chemical engineering, where we have to produce in a large amount, sir. So we have to see the different operation, that on which path we have to go and make this product at a very large amount.
Good.
Yes, sir.
In what do you understand by wet bulb globe temperature?
Sir, wet bulb temperature. Sir, it is the
Globe.
temperature when,
Mm,
yes, sir, wet bulb temperature. Sir,
mm.
it is the temperature when the relative humidity is 100%, and the atmosphere temperature will become equal to the temperature of.
Mm.
Sir, actually, I can't recall right now, but
The wet
I have to
bulb
study
globe
upon that one.
the wet bulb globe temperature index is used to measure the sultriness of the environment. The sultriness
Okay,
is calculated on the basis of humidity effects, the air speed and temperature, and also sun's radiant heating factor, something like that. Okay. I wish they
yes,
don't ask you this question. They don't ask also. Normally, they don't ask so many questions like that. They will only
yes,
ask
sir.
you, what do you know about Federal Bank?
Okay, sir. Sir, Federal Bank. Sir, Federal
Mm,
Bank is one of the leading private sector bank in our country, and it has right now 1,333 branches across different states in India, and currently we are giving our services to the 1.67 crore customers, happy customers, and we have listed in the BSE, NSE, and the London Stock Exchange, and currently we are having 1,357 ATMs across different states in India, and 537 recyclers, and mm,
mm. No, but one mistake you did while talking
yes,
about number of customers. You said 1.6 crore, where it is only 1.27 lakh.
no, sir, sir,
Um,
actually it's updated in the, sir, in the website, sir.
what is the figure given?
Sir, it is given 1 crore 62 lakh approx, sir. But I
Really?
don't
It
know
was,
that. Yes, sir.
no, it was 1.27. Yeah, 1 crore 27 lakhs. Has it changed? I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's changed, sir. Sir, I
Mhm,
have seen just two days ago, sir.
mhm. Just a minute. Let me see that. About
Oh,
us.
yes, sir.
It
Yes.
should be 1.27 lakh crore only, or 1 crore 27 lakhs. Because I have been seeing this for quite so many days. Hmm. अरे बाबा चेंज हो गया.
Yes,
First
sir.
class. Thank you. Because I am under the impression it is now I find they have given us 1 crore 62 lakhs. Super. Good.
Yes, sir. And sir, their
Very.
banking outlets are also given in the quarter three result. It's showing the 1,333, but here it is showing the 1,351, sir, banking outlets. But in the
Yeah.
quarter three result, they have given 1,333 operating branches right now
Yeah.
in
This
India.
is this I think they are including that
The new,
electronic kiosks also.
okay, sir. And sir,
Very
the
good.
quarter three results are also released, sir, in the
Yeah.
on the 16th of
Please,
January.
please tell me about what quarter three results.
Sir, right now the net profit of the Federal Bank is 804 crores, and The total business of our Federal Bank is 3,69,581 crore, and the total deposit of our Federal Bank after the quarter 3 results are 2,01,600
No, no,
680 crore.
एग्जैक्ट जरूरत नहीं, खाली ₹2 लाख करोड़ बोलने से हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir. 2 lakh crores, and the total advances is 1,79,000 crores.
No,
And
no.
sir,
1.71 lakh.
okay, sir. Okay.
Continue.
And sir, the gross NPA and the net NPA is also brought down to 2.43 and the 0.73%. And sir, the operating profit is around 1,200 crores after the quarter 3 results, sir.
Super. Good. So what are your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies in my free time, I would like to play badminton and listening music, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me, did you go through the budget presentation?
Yes, sir, I have gone through and just listen, sir.
I want you to tell me only 4 points that you have seen in the budget, whatever it may be, some 4 points that you have noticed in the budgets.
Okay, sir. Sir, in this budget, in the budget 23, our finance minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, she prioritized our budget in the seven themes, namely inclusive development and green growth and reaching to the last mile and unleashing the potential. And sir, in this way, sir, there is 3 more terms are there, and the 4 important points, as you said, to tell me is that, sir, our finance minister sanctioned the 79,000, means raised the PM, for the PM Awas Yojana from 45,000 to the 79,000 crores, and our government is going to set up 157 new nursing colleges, and mm, uh,
Actually, that's right.
yes, sir.
Actually, as a bank interview, I
Yes,
would
sir.
have appreciated your telling that in the budget, it has been announced that senior citizen can keep, instead of
Okay, sir.
15 lakhs, 30 lakhs.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually,
And
I
you
know
can
that
also
this is,
you can also tell about some new deposit scheme opened for women for 2 years.
yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
That likewise, something related to banking, you can tell
Banking
about
sector.
that. Finance
Okay, sir.
related. Very good.
Sir,
That's
the government is also targeting the agriculture credit target for this financial year. The government is targeted about 20 lakh crores for the farmers, sir, and particularly focusing on the dairy farming and animal husbandry and in the fishery sector.
good.
Okay.
Please tell me something about RBI and the repo rate.
Sir, repo rate is the rate at which the RBI lending loans to the commercial bank, and right now the it- repo rate is 6.25%, and sir, RBI is the regulatory and the apex body which regulated the banking system of our country, and it is the issuer of the currency notes, and the RBI, the central bank, is called the bankers bank, and it is also the governmental bank of our country, means the government bank, and RBI is also overseeing the monetary policy and managing the foreign exchange.
Good. Did you tell about note issuing?
Yes, sir. I already tell, sir. It is the issuing authority of notes in our country.
Very good. Can you tell me what is CSR and what are the CSR activities of Federal Bank?
Okay, sir. Sir, CSR stand for the corporate social responsibility. The company which are registered under the Act 1956 Companies Act, the every company has to give some percentage from uh, net profit. It's right now 2% from the preceding last 3 years, they have to contribute to the social in the social welfare. Like in our federal bank, we are contributing. We are giving the KP Hornis Memorial Scholarship to the economically backward students, and we are also contributing to the poverty elevation, and we are also giving for the skill development of the youth, and for the social welfare, for the women empowerment.
Supposing I meet three of your best friends,
Yes, sir.
what are the three qualities they will tell me that you should improve?
Sir, actually, there is a one weakness of me, and that I overanalyze the thing. So I talk with my one friend, and he will tell you that the Raman will overanalyze the thing. And sir, second one, sir, is mm,
No, this is the very same question they have asked
okay,
few days back. So be ready for answer for that question.
okay, sir. Sir, can you please repeat the question, sir?
Three best friends of yours and
Okay,
three
okay, sir.
qualities they will tell you should improve.
Three quality. Okay, sir.
Next is what makes you emotional?
Sir, my parents make me emotional.
Yeah,
Hmm,
pardon?
what, sir?
What makes you emotional?
Sir, my parents. Actually, I am living from my home about 2,000 kilometers. Actually, my native place is Uttarakhand, and currently I am living in Odisha, sir, for my studies. So sometimes, sir, my parents and my siblings.
It is only 200 kilometers.
Sir, 2,000.
हाँ अला ऐसा बोलो 2000 अच्छा जी
Yes, sir.
supposing you are posted to Kerala what will you do?
Sir, it's fine for me, sir. Initially, sir, when I shifted from my hometown to Rourkela in Odisha, firstly, I faced some difficulties in language barrier and to accommodate with the people. But after some time, I accommodate with the people very easily. People are very helping of nature, and I tried to learn the Odia language also, and I little bit learned and listening music in the Odia language also, and
You
it's
should
fine for
watch
me if
you should watch Odia movies if you want to know about that. That is the only way. Odia movies you
sir.
should watch and talk to Odia friends. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is right. Good. Now, next question for you. Tell me about your day. Like, what do you do the whole day?
So currently, right now I'm in fifth year, so I have only project work, and I woke up in the morning and go for a walk, and after that, at from 9 to 5 p.m., I am having my project, my lab work, so I have to go there and do my experimental things and write down my results work, and in the afternoon I came back for my lunch, and again I will have to go back for my lab, and after returning, I am preparing for my interview these days right now after my lab work. So at
What is UPI?
around 10
What is UPI?
UPI, sir, it is a
Hmm.
unified payment interface which the NPCI is providing to us so that we can transfer money through the UPI ID, sir.
Through which app you are doing transactions?
Sir, right now I'm using, sir, PhonePe.
PhonePe was owned by which company?
Sir, it is a, sir, Indian startup, sir, but in the year 2018, it is acquired by the Flipkart, sir. It was
Good,
acquired by the Flipkart.
very good. Expand
Yes, sir.
NPA,
Sir, NP is a non-performing asset, sir.
expand RTGS,
Sir, RTGS, real-time gross settlement.
expand ECGC,
ECGC.
expand DICGC,
Sir, actually, I am not able to recall right now, sir. I have
expand
read.
Expand EPFO.
Sir, EPFO, EPFO, EP,
Expand
sir,
PFRDA. PFRDA.
sir, PFRDA, sir,
It doesn't matter.
sir,
No
Pension
problem.
Fund Regulatory
Development Authority.
Development. Sir, EPFO is also, sir, Provident Fund Organization. Sir,
Employees Provident Fund.
Employees Provident Fund
Very good.
Organization.
Can you name 3 payment banks?
Sir, Jio Payments Bank and the Airtel
Ah.
Payments Bank and the Paytm Payments Bank.
Super. Good. Can you name 2 small finance banks?
Sir, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank and the AU Small Finance Bank and the ESAF Small Finance Bank and
Good.
Janlakshmi Small Finance
Yeah.
Bank is also there.
No. Dhanalakshmi, no. There is no such
Okay,
bank.
sir. Okay, sir.
Equity Small Finance Bank is there. Some other banks are there. Doesn't matter. Good. Very good. No problem. Best wishes. God bless you. Prepare very well. Go and attend with confidence. Even today, one boy informed me, I think he's also chemical engineering boy studying in Tiruvarur.
Sir,
There is
he is
one
from
sir.
Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, he is from Kerala actually.
Okay.
Now he is in Tamil Nadu studying, and that
Okay,
boy is also doing similar to you. He has been selected. I don't know whether his interview is there online. If it is there, you see that boy has come out successful, and
Okay, sir.
he also, you know how he came. He had his
Yes.
interview day after tomorrow. Today he is coming to me, and I was just with him. I guided him. They gave him the materials, and I wanted him to read. And for him, the advantage is that he is basically from Kerala.
Okay. Sir,
That
actually, I am
that
facing some
advantage
problems.
that advantage will be there for him. For you, you don't have to worry. You will
Okay,
have
sir.
people from North India also coming for interview. And if you can answer with confidence in English, you will be selected.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir,
Thank
actually, my
you.
interview is on 6th of February, sir. Actually, I am having some questions, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am facing, sir, difficulty, sir, with HR questions, sir.
What problem? Which question?
Sir, HR questions. Sir, I have well prepared for the technical questions, means the basic finance questions. I will handle these one, but I am facing with the HR questions, sir.
HR questions you can face well only when you have the confidence that you can talk well in English. The basic problem for you is that you think that you cannot talk well in English.
Yes, sir, that's what
I know that. If that is there, as long as that feeling is there, you will not be able to communicate well. Now, forget for a moment that you cannot speak well. That's wrong. You believe that you are going to talk well, and your performance will be better than the other candidates of your college. Have that belief and go with confidence.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
See, majority of the boys are going to be only from North India, and most of them they cannot talk well in English,
Yes, sir.
excepting those candidates who have studied in CBSE school. So it is the
Okay,
same problem for everybody. So you forget about that, and you try to go through the most common interview questions and prepare answers for that, write and
okay,
see
sir.
and improve it. That will help you.
Okay, sir.
Invariably, they are going to ask you what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, why should we select you, who is your role model, how do you imagine 5 years from now. These are the routine questions they will be asking.
Okay, sir. I will be prepared for these questions, and
They are all given. They are all given in that 100 pages material that I have given you.
okay, sir.
Very good. Best
Okay, sir.
wishes. God bless
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.